Hello class, welcome back to your maths classes. And kids, so yesterday we have done some question that is based on, and those questions are totally based on conversion of centimeter into meter and centimeter. ठीक है? So and we have done up to 7 question of exercise 1.8.2 and now today we will start our exercise. Yes, 8.2. But before moving to that exercise, I would like to explain you some of the things. ठीक है? Now today our topic will be conversion of meter into kilometers and meter. Like yesterday we have done conversion of, yesterday हमने क्या किया? Yesterday we have done conversion of centimeter into meter and centimeter. So today we will do conversion of meter into kilometer. Okay, good. Now let us start. So first of all, I will give you some question that will be based on, I'll give you some question that will be based on conversion of kilometer into meter. First we will practice that. Then I will tell you how to do the vice versa. So the question that I am going to give is, convert the following into meter. Convert the following into meter. Okay, convert the following into meter. So let us do. So here I am going to take the first question. Okay, let me divide it into two parts. So the first question, 3 kilometer 248 meter. 3 kilometer 248 meter. This is the first question. And the next question is 7 kilometer 455 meter. Okay, so what you have to do, you have to convert this into meters. आपने क्या करना है? आपने इसको मीटर में convert करना है. Okay, so let us start. Now our first line will be 1 kilometer equals to 1000 meter. Okay, 1 kilometer equals to 1000 meter. Now next line will be, okay, now the next line will be, देखो 3 kilometer 248 meter. I have written first line, 1 kilometer equals to 1000 meter. Okay, 1 kilometer is equals to 1000 meter. Now next I will write 3 kilometer 248 meter is equals to 3 kilometer plus 248 meter. चलो अब इसको क्या करना है? What we have to do here? पहले हम क्या करेंगे? देखो अब ये किलो में हमें क्या करना है? मीटर में कन्वर्ट करना है. So what I'll do? First we will convert this into meter. So what I will convert? We will convert 3 kilometer or we will convert 248 meter. See, this number 248 meter. This is already given in. This number is already given in meters. Okay, this number is already given in meters. Okay. Now, so I have to convert this 3 kilometer. 3 kilometer को ही आपने convert करना है. So let us do 3 into 1000 meter plus 248 meter. 3 into 1000 meter plus 248 meter. हमने क्या किया? We have converted this 3 kilometer into meter. हमने क्या किया? We have converted this. हम 3 into 1000 किया. So we have got 3000 meter. Now 3 into 1000 will give us 3000 meter and plus 248 meter. Here we are having 2 meters, 3000 meter and 248 meter. है ना? Here we are having 2 meters, that is 3000 meter plus 248 meter. Okay. Okay. Next is 3000 plus 248, and that will be equals to 3248 meter. 3248 meter. This is what? This is our answer. Okay. Okay. Now try to solve this question yourself. Come on. Solve this question yourself. Okay, let us start. Now the first line will remain the same. What happened here? First line will remain the same. Okay, writing that here. Now 1 kilometer equals to 1000 meter. Okay, now 7 kilometer to 455 meter equals to 7 kilometer plus 455 meter. Okay, now 7 kilometer. What I have to do? 7 kilometer को अब हमने convert करना है किसमें? We will convert this into meter. Now 7 kilometer equals to 7 into 1000 meters. Okay, 7 into 1000 meters plus 455 meters. ठीक है. Now 7 into 1000 is equals to 7000 meter plus 455 meter. Adding these two we will get 7455 meter. ठीक है, हमने ऐड कर दिया. So what happened here? We have converted. हमने convert कर दिया किलोमीटर को मीटर में. ठीक है. Now next thing is what? Next thing is, देखो जब हमें अब मीटर से किलोमीटर में वापस जाना होगा तो what we have to do? We have to follow these all steps but in backward motion. That means पहले first this step, then this step, then this step and then this step. Like this. हम ये काम करेंगे but in backward motion. Okay. So the next topic that I am going to start is conversion of meter into kilometer and meter, and then we will do our book exercise also. Okay. Okay now. Let us see. Now, अब हमें मीटर से we have to go from meter to kilometer. See, 1 kilometer is equals to 1000 meter. 1 kilometer equals to 1000 meter. Okay, this much is clear. Now, if 1 kilometer is equals to 1000 meter, then 2 kilometer is equals to what? 2 into 1000 meter. So यहाँ पे किलोमीटर से मीटर कन्वर्ट करने के लिए what we are doing here, to convert from kilometer to meter, we are multiplying 1000. Now next what we have to do? Now we have to convert from meter into, see, now we have to convert from meter, say kilometer and meter. So I will be telling you the most easiest step, most easiest way of doing this question. Let us see. So first is, suppose I want to convert 3254 meter. Now if I want to convert this number, I am having 3254 and I want to convert this into kilometer and meter. If I want to convert this into kilometer and meter, what I have to do? मुझे क्या करना है? मुझे फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल सबसे इजी प्रोसेस क्या है? मेक टू हेडिंग्स. ये पहली हेडिंग एंड ये दूसरी हेडिंग. पहली हेडिंग के बाद आप लिख दो किलोमीटर एंड नेक्स्ट हेडिंग के बाद आप लिख दो मीटर. ओके, ठीक है. नाउ टेक आउट 3 फिंगर्स. व्हाई वी आर टेकिंग आउट 3 फिंगर्स? बिकॉज 1 किलोमीटर इज इक्वल्स टू 1000 meters. So 1, 2, 3. How many zeros are there? 3 zeros, है ना? How many zeros are there? 3 zeros. So what we'll do? 3 पे ध्यान देंगे and इधर 1, 2, 3. 3 place पे we will put a point. और like converting from सेंटीमीटर टू मीटर, हम क्या कर रहे थे? हम 2 पोजीशंस को एक्सक्लूड कर दे रहे थे, सेपरेट कर दे रहे थे. रेस्ट ऑफ अवर नंबर थे. सो यहाँ पे हमारा नंबर क्या है? हियर अवर नंबर इज 3254 मीटर. दिस इज अवर नंबर 3254. दिस इज अवर नंबर. ठीक है. अब 3 प्लेस, दैट मीन्स 1s, 10s, 100. And why we are taking only these 3 places? So kids, we are taking here only these 3 places because 1 kilometer equals to 1000 and 1000 में कितने जीरो? 3 0. तो we will do it like this. 1, 2, 3. अब यहाँ पे we will put a, got it? This much of number we will exclude. इतना हम अलग कर लेंगे. तो अब हमारे पास 2 ग्रुप्स ऑफ नंबर बचे. एक को मैम ने सर्कल में लिख दिया, एक को मैम ने रेक्टेंगल में लिख दिया. तो जिस नंबर को मैम ने सर्कल में लिखा, दैट मीन्स द फर्स्ट नंबर दैट विल गो इन किलोमीटर कॉलम एंड नेक्स्ट विल गो इन मीटर कॉलम. 254 मीटर. गॉट इट? ओके. नाउ मूविंग टुवर्ड द नेक्स्ट थिंग. Okay, let me raise the board first. See, I'm going to take another question and this question will be something like this. See, 2654 meter. This time we are having 2654 meter. Example number 2. 2654 meter. This time we are having this number. Okay. क्या करना है हमें? What we have to do here? इधर हमें क्या करना है? 2654 मीटर है. हमें इसको किलोमीटर मीटर 2 पार्ट में बांटना है. कितने पार्ट में बांटना है? 2 पार्ट में. So what we will do? We will make 2 columns. फर्स्ट वन के बाद हम लिखेंगे किलोमीटर, नेक्स्ट के बाद लिखेंगे we will write, चलो let us take some more space, we'll write मीटर. ठीक है. Now what we will do next? हम 3 काउंट करेंगे. 1s, 10s, 100. 1s, 10s, 100. 1s, 10s, 100. ये 3 प्लेसेस को see these 4 नंबर are here. तो हम क्या करेंगे? 1s, 10s, 100. इस 3 नंबर को 3 डिजिट को हम क्या करेंगे? वी विल क्लोज. हम इस 3 डिजिट को क्लोज कर देंगे. क्लोज कर देंगे दैट मीन सेपरेट कर देंगे. तो ये जो एक नंबर बचा हमारे पास, दिस नंबर वी विल राइट इन किलोमीटर कॉलम एंड दिस 3 नंबर वी विल राइट इन मीटर्स कॉलम. ओके. 254, that means ones, tens, 100, 1000. तो हमें कितनी डिजिट चाहिए? 3 प्लेसेस तक. 1, 2, 3. इतने को what we will do? इतने को we will separate, and while separating we will write this in this column, in meters column. Okay, 654 meters. Okay, अब कौन सा नंबर बच गया? अब हमारे पास बचा ये 2. तो this 2 we will write here in kilometer column. This 2 we will write where? This 2 we will write in kilometer column. Okay, moving ahead. Let me erase the board for the next example. Next example we are having here. Three, 7, 8, 9. ठीक है? 3, 7, 8, 9. 3789 meters. First step, make two headings. Of kilometer and meter. Let us make two headings, that is of kilometer and meter and kilometer. Okay, fine. Next what we have to do? तो अब चलो 3 डिजिट को हमें सेपरेट करना है. तो लेट मी शो यू. 3, 7, 8, 9. 3, 7, 8, 9. Ones, tens, 100, 1000. 3 प्लेस. दैट मीन्स ones, tens, 100 को हमें क्या करना है? सेपरेट कर देना है. ठीक है, हमें क्या कर देना है? इतने को सेपरेट कर देना है. इतने को मैम ने क्या किया? सेपरेट कर दिया. तो अब हमारे पास क्या बचा? 789 मीटर. And we are left with 3 kilometer. 3 kilometer and 789 meter. We are left with this only. Okay. Chalo, I am going to give you the next question, and that question will be done by you. Seven meters, and question number E is 8246 meter. Okay, come on, solve these two questions. Come on, solve this question. Okay, can we move ahead? So first of all, what we will do? First of all, इधर we will give kilometer का space, and this side will give meter का space. Now 3 number from right side से 3 number 1, 2, 3, that is 777. That we will write in meters column. Okay. And the remaining number, that is 2, this we will write in kilometer column. So our answer is 2 kilometer 777 meter. Our answer is 2 kilometer and 777 meters. Got it? Okay. Now moving toward the next question. Next question we are having C. Kilometer, meter. Again what we will do? From here we will start 1, 2, 3. 3 number we will take. and we'll write it here 246 meter, and here I'll write 8 kilometer. Okay, now come on, write this down, copy it. Okay, come on, do it. Completed. Now next we are going to start next we are going to start our exercise 8.2. Okay, so next we are going to start our exercise 8.2, and the question that we have left yesterday, we will start from there. Okay, so the question we are going to do is convert into kilometer and meter and fill in the placeholder. So this is exercise 8.2. Okay, exercise 8.2, and the question is 8350 meter. First question that we have to convert is, that is 8350 meters, and that we have to fill in the blank that is given there. Meter plus meter equals to, so I am writing the next line here, kilometer and meter. Now 8350. So सबसे पहले what we'll do, we'll write this meter part here. This will become 350 meter, and we are left with 8000 meter. Now mind it, here I am having meter, not kilometer. I have written 8000 meter. Don't get confused between 8000 meter and 8000 kilometer. Now 8000 meter is equals to 8000 meter is equals to 8000 meter is equals to 8 kilometer, and 350 meter will be written here in 350 meter. Okay. Okay. Moving toward the next question. Next question we are having. Next question is 9003 meter. 9003 meter. Okay. So first block, meter plus meter. This will be kilometer and again meter. Now 9003 meter. So first I'll hide this and I will write these three numbers in the meter column, in the letter meter column. So what it will be? 003 meter. That means 3 meter. See, 003 meters, 003 is equals to 3. That means 3 के आगे 20 की कोई वैल्यू नहीं है. 3 के आगे 20 की बेटा कोई वैल्यू नहीं है. अगर वही 0 लिखा होता लेटर पार्ट में तो उसकी वैल्यू होती. 3 के आगे 0 की एज सच कोई वैल्यू नहीं है. गॉट इट? Now moving towards the next question. No, first we have to complete this one. Yeah. So this will become 9,000 meter. Now 9,000 meter is equals to 9 किलोमीटर. 9,000 मीटर. अब इसका भी 3 पार्ट हटा देंगे तो वी विल लेफ्ट विथ ओनली 9 ना. तो 9,000 मीटर इज इक्वल्स टू 9 किलोमीटर एंड हियर वी आर हैविंग 3 मीटर. सो अवर आंसर इज 9 किलोमीटर एंड 3 मीटर. गॉट इट? ओके. नोट इट डाउन. Now, next we are having convert into kilometer and meter. Next question is convert into kilometer and meter. And question number 7 is, question number 8 is. Question number 8 is 1340 meter. So we will do it with the easiest method. ये हम इस क्वेश्चन को कैसे करेंगे? We will do this question with the easiest method. And what is that easiest method? First of all, we will make 2 headings. Kilometers and meter. Now see. 1340. Right side 3 digit we will take. So right side if we will take right side 3 digit, we are left with 340 meter. Here we are left with 340 meter. Okay. Okay, and here we are left with 1. So we will write this one here. So our answer is 1 kilometer and 340 meters. 1 kilometer and 340 meter. Now moving towards the next question. Next is question number. We have done question number 8. Now next is question number 9. 5087 meter. 5087 meter. Kilometer and meter. 5087 kilometer and meter. What we will do? सबसे पहले लास्ट के 3 डिजिट we will write in meter. So last के 3 digit is 087. That means we will write only 87 meter. And here we are left with 5. 5 रह गया. So that 5 we will write here. So we have got 5 kilometer and 87 meter. 5 kilometer and 87 meter. Now question number 10. Question number 10 is 3105 meter. 3105 meter. Okay, solve this question yourself. First make 2 columns. See, first page will be of kilometer. Next one will be of meter. And what we'll do? We will add these. Will सबसे पहले 105 को we will write here. Last के 3 digit को we will write 105 here. And we are left with 3 only. So that 3 we will write here. So our answer is 3 kilometer 105 meter. Now note it down. Come on, note it down. Okay, kids. So here we have completed our exercise 8.2 also. Okay. Now, so we have done we know how to convert units from one unit to another unit. We know how to do. Now in next class we will do something new. Okay.